Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change a name here on Google Merchant Center. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Google Merchant Center, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the name of your Google Merchant Center account is a straightforward process. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to go to the section where it says Your Business. That's going to be in the left side panel of your dashboard. And click the business info. Now, if you do that, you have like 4 tabs. I want you to click the details. And from here, it's a straightforward process. Okay? Because from this section, this is going to be our Merchant Center name, and for us to be able to edit that, click the edit business details. If you can see the pencil icon next to the name, just click on it. Now from here, if you want to change the merchant name, all I have to do is go here on the name, replace it, and what will happen is you have the option to click on save. It's very easy. You also have the option to change any information that you want, such as your address, customer service, like the website URL and the email and whatnot, country code, phone number, and a lot more. Now, if in case you are having problems changing your merchant name here on this account, you might want to go to the question mark option and simply click the contact us option. All right, you would be forwarded here, wherein all you have to do is type in your concern, click on next, and from here you just choose the best description of the issue, which is going to be change of business information. All right, click on it, click the next step. Now at the bottom part you have the contact options. Just click on the next step first, and from here you just have to click the email, which is going to be your best option for contacting the Google Merchant Center support. Sometimes there could be an error or a glitch or a bug that is preventing you to change your Google Merchant Center name. In this case, if the troubleshooting is required, you need to contact the Google Merchant Center support. Click the email, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. Or you can also visit the Merchant Center help, all right, fan answers, and get the support. You can browse from any of the following articles that could help you fix the issue. Because if your business undergoes a name change or rebranding effort, updating your Merchant Center account name ensures consistency with your new branding across all platforms. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.